Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 23. So y'all see who's here. You're not gonna do your...
Oh.
So y'all, we're getting ready to run a few errands. 2 days before Christmas. So really quick, I want to show y'all Ryan's gifts from his coworkers because I'm real nosy or whatever. Ryan, show us.
Okay, I got this nice little carrier and some
That's
coasters.
so cute,
Isn't it? They thought I'm like, I like the fabulous. And some Stella Rose.
Ooh, Stella Berry. I never had that
Stella
one before.
Rosa. I'm talking about
No,
Stella
I'm saying
Rose.
it's...
Oh yeah, the berry,
Yeah,
the flavor.
The flavor, yeah.
I'm talking some Stella Rose. Dang, you smell good, girl.
Thank you.
Smell pretty.
What else you got? What else you got?
But when I be cooking in the kitchen, whipping like the Migos.
Oh, that was so sweet.
BL4
CK. What else is in there?
Oh, and it's like a cup. Am I do right?
Oh,
It's like one of those
it's
Yeti
like a regular,
thing.
yeah, like a little regular mug or whatever. That's cute.
So thoughtful.
I have to run to the post office again because Crazy Bunny Mama, she said that she sent me something and it's been sitting in my post office box since Monday. And I have been to the post office, but I just didn't check my box because I've been running around like a chicken with its head cut off lately because, you know, it's that time of year, you know. So,
Most wonderful time of the year.
right. Your pants a little tight, bro.
Hey, don't you do it.
You trying to show, you trying to catch out here in these streets.
Girl.
I cannot even deal with you. So yeah, y'all. So we're gonna you wanna go to Verizon too while we out?
Yeah, I just about to ask you. Might as well, because I'm right with
You
you.
gonna give me $5 for some gas? No, I'm kidding. Y'all gonna roll with us.
So we let's go like.
Yeah, so we're just riding in the car, you know.
What is that?
You love picking on me. I got a gift card that I need to use. Well, no, it was when I had to exchange something and they just put it on this card because I didn't have my debit card yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey y'all.
I don't know why we look so dark.
Because we like.
Like it's full.
I'm getting me a new phone, y'all. I broke my phone.
Yes, y'all. He shattered his phone.
It was a rainy night. I see that. Can y'all see it? You gotta do the hand.
Right.
It
That is so
broke.
sad.
And this is how I record my phone, y'all.
Those of you that feel like you have to have all of your equipment at one time to start your YouTube channel, it is not true because we both started on our phone. I recorded for a very long time on my cell phone, even after I had my camera. Let me let my thing get a little lighter. I don't know why it's doing
in the
that.
sun now.
But even after I had my camera, I was so comfortable with recording on my phone, so I continued to record on my phone, and Ryan still records on his phone. So you can get really good quality recording on your phone. I mean, most cameras nowadays have, you know, good quality cameras. So I don't think you like necessarily, I mean, we're iPhone users, but I don't necessarily feel like you have to have an iPhone. Because Tony has, what kind of phone Tony has?
He got the new Note.
Yeah, he has is that an Android or what?
It's Android. And the newer Androids, like the newer Galaxies and Notes, they ain't nothing to play with.
Yeah.
They are great. Like the camera and stuff, they're great.
Yeah, so start with what you have. Don't feel forced to go out and buy all this different equipment because, especially if you're new in with the YouTube thing, because you want to make sure there's something that you want to continue to do before, you know, spending all that money, because it can get a little pricey. So
you gotta start somewhere.
yeah, you gotta start somewhere. And I, like I said, I did start both of my channels using my phone, and y'all know sometimes I still vlog on my phone, especially when I'm in public.
I had somebody inbox me. I went to school with them, and they were telling me they were asking me what kind of camera I use. I was like, well, I use my phone, my iPhone.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, because I use this and that and the third, and my stuff gonna be real professional, real legit, and child didn't even go through with it.
Mm-hmm.
And I spent all that money, probably had to pawn it or, sell it. No shade, like pawn it, but I'm just saying, like, they probably had to sell it somewhere.
Right.
To, get reimbursed.
Right.
I was like, they don't come for me.
For real. I'm trying to make you feel bad because you still use your phone.
I was like,
yeah, I don't know why I need to adjust my camera settings because my my camera.
Where are you taking me again?
We're going to the post office.
Oh, because honey, I haven't been across this bridge in a long time.
Oh yeah, I think this is the one Tony got, is it? Yeah, Note 10. Okay, y'all, so we have Chick-fil-A for lunch. Ryan has some macaroni and cheese. He's trying it for the first time. What you think?
It tastes way better than yours.
What?
This is real good.
Here's mine. The chicken tenders and macaroni and cheese. We stopped at Costco's because y'all remember my little argument that I had yesterday with my hubby. It wasn't really an argument, y'all. Y'all know we don't do that. But
Talk it out.
I bought a big box of king crab, and we got some shrimp. These are the extra large shrimp. Let me show y'all how big these things are. They like so big. And then I bought my mom some king crab. Ryan has some king crabs over there and some shrimp. I had my sunglasses on, y'all, but and then I got a package from one of you guys. So I want to open it on camera. So let's see what this is. Hold on. This is a quick little mukbang.
So good.
Okay. Alright. Oh, thank you. This is from my subscriber, Crazy Bunny Mama. Thank you so much. Oh, she sent me some seasoning. So this is lemon pepper, which is one of my favorite seasonings.
That's gonna go on some good old chicken.
What else? Oh my gosh. She sent me some lipsticks from ColourPop. Go ahead, girl. So this is the lippy pencils. So this is the color Go For Bold. The color Hey Big Spender. Oh my god, this was so nice. And this is Star-Crossed. This is a matte lipstick. She know me, okay? She know me. And this is Lax. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. This is so sweet.
I'm jealous.
This is a ColourPop pressed powder palette. Let's open this together, y'all, because this was just too sweet and too thoughtful, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, how pretty. This is so sweet.
It look like the burn book from
There's Girls. More.
You seen it?
The what?
The burn book from Mean Girls. That's the
oh, y'all remember when I lost my, oh my god, this is too sweet. Y'all remember when I lost my spoolies? Oh my gosh. This is just too sweet, girl. You get subscriber of the year, okay?
Yes. That was mine.
And I also chose her as my my winner for December giveaway. I can't. Some glass straws.
Glass straws.
Yes, and it has the cleaner brush, the cleaning brush with it.
I've never seen glass straws before.
Look. Uh-oh.
Look it.
Look it.
Cute.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, Crazy Bunny Mama. That was the sweetest thing. Like, oh my gosh, you did not have to do that. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. That was so sweet. Then I also got a card. I think I got 2 cards in the mail. Where did we put them? Oh, I left them in the car, I think. Because they was under my belt. Yeah. I have to get those out of the car. I put 2. I have 2 cards from 2 of my subscribers as well. This was so freaking nice. I know I look like a sweaty mess. Oh. All right. Let me show y'all these king crabs and what all come in this bag. Oh, and I got a new iPhone. iPhone 11. No, this is Ryan's. So he's gonna do an unboxing for us. It's like, it's Christmas for us. Christmas came early. All right, y'all. Here's the king crab. So 15 come in this bag for $2.19. So that's a pretty good deal. So that's that. And then I'll show y'all the shrimp again because a lot of people always ask me. This is the shrimp. See how big they are? They have the tiger shrimp in a bag for $77, but these are only $39.99. So yeah, that's that. Now we're gonna do the iPhone. He had to put his shades on, y'all. He got to put on his stoners. Period.
Add some more. You know, people love that. I don't know, but they do.
All right, this is a iPhone 11. What color did you get?
I got gold. I wanted to do the forest green because I'm like into that, but I was like, no, I'll do gold.
Ooh, ah.
It's cute.
So gorgeous. It look rose gold.
It do look rosy.
Ooh.
Y'all see?
Very nice.
It looks just like the one I got. It just got 3 cameras.
It's so pretty. Let's see the cameras on the back. There's the 3 cameras. I'm so excited. Like it's my phone, but
it's the same phone, the length and everything.
It looked like it's a little bit bigger.
Just a little bit. It's longer.
Than the 10 Max. He has the 10 Max.
Yeah, this is the 10 Max and this is the 11 Pro.
Very nice, very nice. So now you gotta just call and activate it and stuff.
Yeah. And come with
AirPods. Oh, it comes with the AirPods.
Oh, well, these are not AirPods.
Aww.
It usually come with them,
They're
though.
just headphones.
But that's fine.
Well, you can let me have those.
I need these.
No, God.
Yes, God, because I don't have no headphones. And then a charger. I got my charger. This is what's heavy.
Yeah, that is a big charger.
Why is it so dang on heavy? The world may never know. I'm still trying to look for the AirPods, y'all, because they tried it.
Oh, did they say it was supposed to come with AirPods?
Yeah, when it first came out. They probably was doing it when it was first coming out now, you know? But that's all, y'all. Ain't nothing like. That's it. On period.
All right, y'all, so that is it for Vlogmas Day 23. Y'all know the days are getting busier and busier. So we have some other stuff that we have to take care of. So I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas Day 23. And I will see y'all tomorrow on Christmas Eve. Okay, bye.